Glad you guys could join me today. You just caught us in the midst of chaos here. This chair, as you can see, all these pieces are going to end up being a nice little rocking chair. So stick around with me and I'll show you how we put it together, but let's get started. We don't have much time. Let's mix this stuff up. You always want to make a little extra. That's a good advantage here. Now the idea on this particular piece, now everyone's a little different. Today we're just doing it this way. We're not putting on the glue like you would put it on super heavy, right? We want it completely covered, a little more than the rest. Just as I say that, I want it to set up and come out of its hole just enough, right? Yeah. Do you see how we're putting these right back in the same position, right? We don't want them to be turned even in their slightest, so I put these little numbers on the sides to keep everybody in order. I want this one to have a little extra. It feels a little on the loose side. Now before you get too far ahead of yourselves, keep your glue areas cleaned up so you don't smear them all over the place, and then they'll set up just fine.
Hey, my cup feels pretty warm.
Is it already? It's only been 5 minutes. Keep your numbers straight. Keep everything as close to where they came out as where they go back in, and you'll be fine. And the reason we don't glue each one, like that one came out, we've already pre-done all these, and the ones that do come out, we've sanded them and prepped them, ready to go back in. So that's why they're all going in and out so nicely. They're done. Well, sure glad you guys could join us today. Told you it was going to be a little chaos. Always fun and exciting around here. You notice I'm not putting this on real heavy here on the top because it's all going to scrape off. If I go putting a big old glob on here, it's going to just scratch off as I go sliding it in its holes. So you don't need a whole lot. It just makes a lot more of a mess for you to clean up later. See, it's a little pro tip for you. The one I would have missed is this one.
Yep, there you go.
So this has got to go. And that one got to go. And then this little dog just goes together like it's supposed to be a puzzle. These go up under here. What a deal. Okay, we're going to flip it right back over again. Like that. That screw has to stay off the table. Okay. So many things. Okay, set her down nice and even. That's on. Okay. All right, flip it over. On the back. Let me see where it goes. Okay, it can go in. It's like you just got to push the longest one in first. Yeah, keep that one on the bottom. When it's gonna go, let it go. Because I'm.
Try. There it goes. There it goes.
Welcome to gluing a chair together. This is what it looks like. This is it in the big city. Normally I wouldn't be putting screws in. These are just normally not be here. But whoever built this, can you hold this back? I can't. I'm really trying to push. All right, now the easy part. the cleanup, folks. Nothing to it when you know how to do it. And this is how the pros do it, see? Yep. You get in there and you just get after it. All right? I'm gonna go around back ways. How fun is that?
Wasn't miserable when I was done.
There you go, guys. Nothing to it, right? Told you. Little excitement. Nothing. It make your heart pound. You know? What are we doing this for, right? We're not having fun. This is it. What did you do today? I glued a chair together. Along with you, huh? Now we're going to do the base. May add on to this video. Or I may put that down on the second one. So if you'd like to see that one, and I do put it down there, I'll put it over here. And I hope to see you there. If not, just stick around. We'll keep it going and we'll finish that up here as soon as this dries up and sets. Thanks for watching, man. Hank, thanks for hanging out.